Oh, what the heck? What is this? I'm so glad I was filming.
As far back as I can.
What the heck? What is this? I'm so glad I was filming. Welcome to the Red Rock Casino and Resort in Summerlin, Las Vegas, off the Strip. Amazing. 5-star luxury place. We're going to be chilling here today, and thank you so much for the comped room. Shout out to Red Rock. Shout out to Station Casinos. You guys know how to make a YouTuber slash 5'7" Italian American kid feel really, really good. So this is my second time staying at the Red Rock. Originally, the first time I stayed here, I stayed in a standard room and I made a video about it, showing the general kind of experience at Red Rock. Sometime after that video, Station Casinos, which is the company that owns the Red Rock, they also own Green Valley Ranch, which is another amazing property in Las Vegas off the Strip. They reached out to me and they comped me a stay in a room there in exchange for a video. I did a video there, and now they invited me back to the Red Rock once again, and they gave me a similar style, similar scale of a room to the one they gave me at the Green Valley Ranch. Now, before I continue talking about the Red Rock and sharing what we're gonna be doing today, let's start this off with a big fat room tour.
That's where we always meet. It's a squeeze. It's a squeeze. It's a squeeze.
So we have a few things coming up. We're about to get lunch, but before we do, boom. Look, they made me merch. So on this side it says Red Rock, and on the other side it says Pompsie. This looks sick, look at this. They also made the plain black snapback. Boom. And we got this one. Huh? Where's Pompsie? Oh, it says it right here in red. Right there. So a few cool things. There are 2 toilets in the bathroom. One here and one over here. And these toilets are the high quality automatic toilets with the heated seat and the bidet, and all the buttons are right here for all the controls: flush, oscillating, pulsating, all different stuff. Front cleaning, rear cleaning, position, all sorts of stuff. And look, boom, motion censored. There's also not 1, but 2 TVs in this bathroom. 2. Yeah, look at that. Turn around. Keep spinning. I just love these balloons. This makes me feel so special.
What you think of?
That's nice.
What's up, bro? Yeah, of course.
Awesome.
That was like perfect timing with my shot.
Yeah.
What's up, bro? What's your
What's
name?
up? Andrew.
Andrew.
Yeah. We started a YouTube channel just from watching you. Man, your
cool,
stuff
man.
inspired us.
Nice.
Yeah, your stuff is
Thanks,
great.
Bro.
Really good.
Come on, y'all, let's get on.
That place is really delicious. Delish. Big portions too.
Yeah.
So behind me over here are the elevators. Behind me over here are the VIP elevators. Behind me over here is where you get to the casino, the restaurants, and everything. And then behind me over here, finally, is the spa. The cool thing about this hotel suite is that it comes with a full refrigerator and freezer and a microwave. I really appreciate this little perk. It's definitely a good reason to look into this room, you know? Oh, I love Fiji. You ready?
I'm so ready. I'm excited.
We're heading downstairs to go to the spa now. Greta loves massages. Ooh, fancy.
Have you been here before? Actually, no.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
Have a good time. Alright, time to get in the robe and get massaged up. That's me.
When I'm away from you, it seems the meaning runs out of my life. How much longer can I hide the pain?
Okay, so we just finished our massages, and then they escorted us out to a private pool area where we had all sorts of stuff here waiting for us, and we have a whole cabana rented out for us, like, apparently. We were totally surprised by all of this. That's pretty cool, yeah.
Okay. This is the package for men that we received that is for you. There is the little mist that they spray in the air, aftershave serum, a energizing hair and body shampoo. And then I got also the mist, a eye mask, and intensive moisture.
You're somewhere.
Spa check, very good. Now we're at the pool. Jacuzzi. In the room. So I met 2 subscribers down at the pool earlier, and they're brothers and they have a channel on YouTube. And they were asking me, Pomps, how do we blow up on YouTube? What's the secret? What can you tell us? And this is a question I've been getting asked more and more recently. People that want to, create a YouTube channel and have a successful channel. And there's honestly no secret sauce to blowing up on YouTube. Like anything else, all it takes is really hard work and dedication. But with YouTube specifically, you just need to make valuable videos, informative videos, entertaining videos that aren't being made on the platform already. Have fun with it, engage with your audience, and never give up, and eventually you're gonna win. And that's really all I could tell you. It's possible, it's definitely possible. I'm living proof, and so many other YouTubers are. Just have fun, be entertaining, be informative, be helpful to the audience. Make things that are helpful, and you're gonna win. That's all there is to it. With that, it's dinner time. Let's go downstairs, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we're going with something different, a steakhouse. This one is called T-Bones. T-Bones.
Thank you.
We're doing swell. Very swell. Ooh, that's neat.
Got some big fat fire. So we made it to dinner. We're at T-Bones right now. It's a steakhouse inside Red Rock, and we're waiting for our food. I got lamb chops, obviously, and Pompsie got what did you get?
The king crab.
We're excited.
Whew. I didn't really order that much, but I'm super full.
Me too. I'm stuffed. Bye. Have a
Good night, thank you. Hey. Hey. You see this right here? Right here? I just filmed a clip shouting out Latrice, the amazing chef at T-Bones, but unfortunately it was out of focus. I just want to give a huge thank you to the whole team. Customer service was amazing at T-Bones. If Vegas does anything right, guys, it's food. Shout out to all the amazing customer service members in the food industry in Las Vegas. I love you all. And yeah, I can't wait to come back to T-Bones. Classy establishment. Good morning. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you, Red Rock. Thank you, Station Casinos. Thanks again for that. And thanks again for this room and supporting the channel. Guys, come to Red Rock if you want one of the best experiences off the strip. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Love y'all.